sure. Adam, calm down. You not sure?
Okay, chop for where? And let's see him for food. Give me food at the ultimate adventure.
Wait. I'm going inside there. I bring you plenty food for you to shop.
For me?
Yes.
Kai. So, if I give me plenty of food, I know what I happen. I tell me, say, I need a one master.
Hey, you taking me there?
One lie, I take me to this place, I dance and call. Kai, one of my ladies. Kai, kwakere, kai, hila, kai, to.
I am thinking of getting another wife.
Another wife?
Another wife.
What happened to Uriako?
If I tell you the thing where they go through without Uriako, you go believe her. Uriako.
Hey. What of your son, Taba?
That one takes after his mother. Very useless. Doesn't want to be useful to himself. If you get to my house now, you will see Utaba. My son should be busy somewhere, making money like his mates. You could have there for trouble. I'm in trouble.
Opane. I beg. You know, say you my friend. You go take a easy. Why I say make you take a easy? Be say women are the same thing. Even the one who I get for my house, if they behave like that too, they are the same.
Oh, Goro, I know can't think say all women are the same.
They are the same.
I will tell you the reason why later. But the wahala way this woman they give me. This my head won't come out to enter ground. But I no agree. That make me come here. In fact, Okoro, I want to make two of us exchange our wives. You take my wife, or I take your own wife. I beg.
Opane. Opane.
I beg.
Stand up. Stand up first. Stand up now before I tell you what I want to tell you.
No, you say you be my friend.
You don't say you be my friend.
You be my friend.
Just stand up.
Now because you be my friend, I carry my problem. Come, because the only best friend is all best friend.
You don't stand up. Handle it.
Okay, you mean make I go?
Then go.
Okay, as you mean make I...
No. It's not my money now.
No, but now it's very for me.
I don't
say I go come out.
You don't say I go fit carry you.
I go come out.
I beg. They go. See, when they come my house, if not like that, you gonna. I beg. If my man is see from my house again. Which one be say man I carry my wife give you? You see my wife way fine like that. You won't carry that your own. Can't carry exchange my own. Man see you from my house again. Idiot. See, you won't carry drink. Won't carry drink.
Ekwensuebe na fana na mwana bonso. Usibulani. Wana bia.
Makanife nesisi wanne.
Play. Pick two.
Hey, continue. Speak to you. You see?
Play.
You see? Do you see? 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 You You are here playing what? Where your mates are over there, making their millions. Huh? I do mine. You've offered yourself to devil. Can you see it now? Get out. Go home. If you don't know what to do, then go home. Go home.
I don't like this thing. I don't like this.
You don't like what?
I don't like this thing.
Are you challenging me? I'm talking and you're talking. Get from here. Run!
Thank you for everything, eh? But I thank you. Thanks, there. You're a darling. Thank you.
See, you know, ever since Mama and Papa died, I've tried my best to make sure people eat in this house. Oh, boy, haven't I been trying? I don't want any of you to disappoint me by living a wayward life. Yeah, I won't take it. Mama and Papa laid a legacy. Everybody knows in the whole village. And that legacy we must follow. Eh? Anything you want, just tell me. Anything at all, I'll provide. Any question?
Brother, there's no question at all. We've heard all you've said, and we keep to that. We've heard you, brother. Thank you so much.
Brother, thank you very much for the advice. We won't disappoint.
Yes.
Now, come. You have to go inside now. Yeah, give me the key so that I will lock the gates.
Lock which gate? Which gate? For what? Why?
For safety. So I want to secure the both of you.
Brother.
Huh?
No, now. We're both mature to take care of ourselves. If you want to go out, go out.
You are not, you are not mature, my friend. Look, let me tell you something. And as a matter of fact, I don't want to discuss. I don't want to say anything. Go inside.
Mude, I have the key. But I will not, and I will never ever give you this.
Never.
You want to lock us inside? As who?
Give me that.
As who? Are we children? I am not giving it to you. Come and take it. You want to lock us? Are we goats? Are you protecting us? Are we goats? Are we goats? Come and do take your time, oh. Take it, take it, take it. You're locking us.
In fact, I'm locking the big gates.
Look at you. Hey! Okay, how am I for one of the people? You know, protect, yeah. As if you give security grown up girls like this with breasts full of chest. You want to protect us? Are you mad?
I don't like this video.
Let's go in.
I don't like this video.
I was coming to your house, so.
Come here. How is everything now?
Everything is fine. Everything is fine.
I'm sure. I'm sure, my brother.
So let's be going to your house now.
My house?
Yes.
Ban. Let's go. I'm already out. Let's go. Let's go to your side.
You think we should go to my house? Let's go. Let's go. Okay, no problem. If you think so. So how is Sandra and Kenechu?
They are fine, my brother. You need to see how Kenechu is shining now. I'm telling you.
You're trying, though.
My brother, what can we do? Let's be going.
Extend my greetings to them. You know, go. Come. You know, come.
As what? As what? Huh? As what now?
As their brother now.
You know what? You're a nimpy. Let me see not near those girls. catch you near them. Let's do a car.
You know, try. Which kind of disgrace with this one? Huh? Ordinary because they play what? What?
Not be only that one. The way when they talk as if say when in there our mates, when in there this age, in they do everything together.
As I look in, even today, I believe say that man see they play draft.
Draft like in this.
See they play draft.
No, you know say na so the man did.
If they play draft well, I mean.
Which one draft?
Your papa they play draft.
Draft like in this.
If they play draft well now.
They plan.
He said draft.
Your papa
they
dey
play
singing
draft.
and
No,
draft.
it's not my papa.
Guy, not make I not just talk like father like son.
Why you go talk to my papa?
Shut up your mouth, you don't mind. Because we never just together beat you. Now they open mouth, they talk rubbish.
Don't mind.
They crazy.
No, be say no. You know now. You know as we dey do am now.
But wait. The truth of the matter be say, your papa I think say him won't correct us. You know they completely bad though. And they like advice of look for help ourselves. Like look we find something to do. You know, look get something. Get involved. Something like getting married.
You know say you know well.
How?
You know well. To chop here they had you. To chop they be like where person carry shovel they put sand for tipa. To pay house rent, how much you the old landlord? You dey the open mouth, they shower mouth, they talk about marriage. You dey craze?
Utobo, may I ask you first? Why you won't even keep the woman self?
See, that one now I get in a mouth, now they talk waiting anything when I like. But as you see me so, thank God say I don't see the girl when I want marry. Huh? I don't see my future.
No verse. This girl where you want marry now. Where should they live? Waiting their name. Who be papa?
Which one you want make her answer first? That girl where you want marry, who be she? Whatever. For waiting. Guy, relax for me small. Well, the truth is say honestly I know to really know the papa of the girl. But I know say the girl they stay for number 40, Romanus Crescent.
Wait. Number 40, Romanus Crescent.
Wow.
That wicked man. That wicked man. You're in trouble.
Wait.
If that man catch you, Utobo, you go regret the day when you see that girl. I dey tell you, you go regret the day when you know that.
Come. This girl where you want to go marry now. This is where go that way you want to go marry. No verse. You want marry am my purchase or you want marry am credit or you want marry am when she born you can't see him, papa. I want to know.
Hello, fine girl. Hello, Angel.
What is it? What is it? What can I do for you?
Quarrel. See, I be friend though. Okay, the truth is say my name na Utobo. But my friends call me Uto for short. You don't understand? I'm a graduation of this university.
You just say a graduation of
University.
Excuse me. It is not a graduation of, okay? Rather, graduate.
Bam. Who tell you I don't know? Forget me, I can pretend, I swear. I can know how to pretend. I just want to test you whether, as we find rich, whether if you speak English, we'll find like you. But we forget that one. What is your name? Anyway, don't bother to tell me your name. I'll be calling you Angel from now. Because you look like my baby. You. I don't know where your house.
Enter here.
Your house.
Are you stupid? Enter here. Take a good look at this house. Take a good look at this house. Do you know who my father is?
Let me, man.
Do you know who I am?
Get him.
I don't know.
No, see, exactly what I'm saying is that you go know who they talk to you.
Okay.
No, what I mean is that no.
Me da monka.
Mua monka. Oh, mua monka. May God punish you, the Chris. You think that because they say fear not to fear not, then anybody will come from north, I go to fear them. God, I no fear you. What did they worry you?
Wallahi, na ran sai maka da Allah. I swear, if I enter this place, I come out right now. I dare for this place. Wallahi, I kill you.
Get out! You don't go do anything. You will me.
Huh? If I enter this place, I come out.
Enter.
If I what for me?
Ordinary English you can't speak. That's why they bring on here to do get man and they happy.
I see there.
Can't get out like this. Get them outside.
Arne, Umanka.
I don't talk my own now with that life. The thing where they kill man for this earth, any man where they carry anyhow thing, as the thing come land in mind, he carry him. Anyhow the thing take fall for him brain, he carry him like that. Anyhow the thing take fall for him corner, he just carry him like that they walk. He they kill man. Man ask you, how you sure say this girl will come carry himself give you? As they say, you go marry him.
Oh.
Person where you don't know her name.
Forget about the name, guy. Forget the name, that will not be a problem. The most important thing where they sweet my mind is now where they give me joy. They say they get me I come visit them this afternoon.
Eh? Yes. This afternoon?
Yes, but as it be so, I don't think I can reason and say, delay is dangerous. So I feel like I will fit wait till afternoon. They go see him now. Eh? I won't go see him right now.
Wait. Utobo. My hand no there.
Ha! You haven't been there before?
You go put yourself for trouble.
Bone trouble. Guy, I did very careful. I did careful because just this yesterday, we'll just pass. Yesterday in Kagalaga.
Oh my God. You again? I thought I've told you to stop coming here.
Listen, relax. As if you so, I don't come you like mad. And the only thing that will make me to stop you to come here, and I die. Let me say if I die. But even if I die, true to God, my ghost will still come. They pursue you.
Please, okay? My daddy will not be happy with you if he sees you here. Yeah. Okay? I don't want you to have problem with my father. Stop coming here. So let me tell you. My dad can be very ruthless and heartless, okay? So you better stop coming because he is very wicked to male visitors. Do you hear me now?
See, the point is that I like men with the ruthless, heartless, and harsh. Who go born beautiful girl like you when you go there harsh? The man decrease.
So you're trying to tell me that you are responsible or what?
You can see it by yourself. Check my dressing. This thing, check me. You know they're responsible enough? That's why I dress like this to come to see you, because I want to have a word with you. You know? As it be so, I am a born-again Christian. And I see for revelation say you are the woman for me. In fact, the dream of every man. I just look at you now, I couple with this dazzling beauty. A dream of every man. Which man go see you when they go like you? You don't understand? Huh? So?
Okay, you need to go and come back tomorrow, okay?
Tomorrow?
Yeah. I know my dad won't be around. I'll be waiting for you.
Wait first.
Hey! Bye.
Now make I talk and say, as it be so, I am good as married. But the girl go tell the papa to give me money, I go use go marry her. Or last, I go just marry her on credit. Then later, I go find the money, settle their papa.
Hey! But which can't talk be this? Your talk the vex me sometimes. If you tell the papa make you give you money, make you marry her. Borrow money from the father to marry the girl, or the girl to bring her own money, you marry her. Wait till that one come be. See, I tell you before you come out. The eye why they looking at this, say you want die. Moku just there now eat our last supper. As Jesus take with his 12 disciples. Moku just do it now because I'm not sure so you go come back for that journey. And they tell you the truth.
Oh, Utobo, wait, make I even ask you. Tell us the truth, oh. You won't die?
Maybe you won't die now because if you don't come alone, you will not come back at all.
Or waiting. No, or what? That they look for my trouble. I swear. In fact, I don't go on that time.
You will see that I'm not now later things you don't do. Think over that thing where they talk.
sisi nwanne ahapụ nka ga nọ na miyele aka ndị ọmụ ọrụ ndị aka ọrụ alapụ ife aghalụ a na-alụ ọzọ enjini nwaanyị ka ọ na-eme ịma n'ukwu nwaanyị ka ọ na-eme ife dị ya n'obi na azụ.
Where is Utaba?
I don't know.
Where is Utaba? You tell me you don't know.
I said I don't know.
Is it me you're answering with stubbornness? Eh?
How do you want me to answer you? Nine. Okay, nine. I don't know. Are you satisfied now? Nine, are you satisfied now? I should be the one asking you that question. After all, were you not the one that chased him out of the house?
Yes, because I told him to go and find something to do.
Yes. Okay. Now you asked him to go and look for something doing. Because you kept something outside there for him to do now. You kept something outside there for him to do. Don't worry. Don't worry, I'll still find him. Nine, I'll still find my son. Bible call you.
So, you can now talk to me anyhow. You have grown wings in my own house. Eh?
Now you are looking for my trouble. Eh? Now you are looking for my trouble, oh. You are looking for my trouble, now. You are looking for my trouble, oh, Nine. Eh? Now you are looking for my trouble, oh. Nine, you are looking for my trouble. Nine. Now you are looking for my trouble, oh. Now you are looking. Now you are looking for my trouble. Now you are looking for my trouble, oh. You are looking for. Nine.
We are now mates. We are now mates.
Excuse me? Come on, I go come. I go come. How you doing? You're fine. So how far? Your face is very familiar. I feel like say you get where we don't see before. Abi they follow all these actors. Your face look familiar. You dey see before. Oh yes. So how far now? How you dey be now?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah, I dey see am for your body. You dey very, very beautiful. No mistake. No mistake. God used one day to create people like us. But you, they be like saying na 1 week or 1 month they use create you. Even there for your face.
You're very funny.
From your people who are they meet, then they get 1 point. You won't reach 3 points, 3 points here. So now 6 earrings you go to use.
Oh my God.
So what did happen now?
Actually, I'm in a phase. Maybe we'll talk some other time.
Okay, there is.
Yes.
Yeah. Some other time. Which time now? Which time? Where are going to meet you?
You know Ituma's house. Ituma's house now. I stay opposite. No, I mean opposite.
Okay.
Yes, opposite.
Ituma's house.
That green house.
Opposite.
Yes, that's
no problem.
Okay.
So which time to see you?
Anytime.
Oh, anytime.
Please, anytime.
Hey!
Okay.
Anytime.
Yeah.
Hey! Hey! Anytime. Hey!
Kwano bonyege meibe amma le kwano jisi na chojisi onye ngworo na chonye ngworo le kwano yobi.
Adamu! Adamu! Adamu!
Go and buy credit for me. Credit? Wallahi, I know they don't for anybody credit, wallahi.
No be credit, now credit the one go put for phone.
Oh, for phone? Allah, Allah. Now I can.
1.5.
Allah Akbar, Allah Akbar.
1.5, I want you don't know credit.
Hey, my boy, how you doing now?
Come. Who are you and where are you going to?
Even like say they just employ you, come here and you. Now I make you know what you mean. Talk they don't sack the former gate man, Abi. I've been promised that former gate man wait every week. He say I go report him to you. I can make a sack him. And now I can't sack him. I can employ you. Let's say if they wise pass that one.
Excuse me.
No only excuse me with English where you sabi. Excuse me, but I like you. I never see a bookie gate man like you where they say excuse me. You go here and say catch I waiting with this. The one that come and do the time after. Oh you, excuse me. You know, excuse you're good. I like you.
Excuse me, my friend.
That one, no, try something else now. Ask question. Don't be excuse me. Now what an employee you are going to do?
What can I do for you?
Now you come in. Now you come. I can't see my angel. Is she in?
Who is the angel and who are you?
My angel is that beautiful princess that lives here. The one where Papa get this house. Now I won't see. Then who I be? Well, I be the boyfriend.
How long have you known her?
You don't think now today. With the wrong things, you don't think now. Well.
Have you been here before?
Many times now. Actually, why I came today, be same time saying Papa they travel this morning. So I say make I come carry and go somewhere, make we do family planning. Family planning. You go tell her make she dress well, because the first time when I saw her.
No problem. Come, let me take you to her.
To her?
Yes, to her.
Ubanu, beautiful guy. You know, I like people like you. Come. For being wise, I will advise you. Your guy is very wicked, stupid and harsh. Don't take after your guy, right? Be the normal, gentle man that you are. But sometimes when they remove all these things, try get man clothes. Let people know who you be. Because people feel their partner see you, believe so that you get a house. Or that if you have your mother, but you yours. Look, I give you tip for people. No, use and buy it.
Say it's the angel you want to see.
I beg, tell her make you dress well.
No, come, let me take you to her.
Who will come take it if you come?
Don't worry,
Okay, no problem.
As Jehovah God, they take answer my own prayer. As me, I dey pray. Make this boy don't go meet that man. Abi? You don't know. See me, I tell you. If he venture meet the man or the man taking hand, you know that man. If he see him, that is how we no go shoot over again. Lie to lie.
See, no worry. Utobo no be small boy again. See, Utobo no be small boy again. I trust am. He go always find him way.
So he go find him way.
He go find him way. You know how to go take do am.
Let God do am. Let God do am because I know why they talk.
No worry. Shey na me dey tell you.
Let God do am.
Utobo, you know I trust Utobo na.
No problem.
I trust Utobo.
You and that woman don see.
That woman ba.
No waste my time.
Sit down.
Before God you that you can't go call my agent for me. All this new get material, what we get now. See what you go there for. Hey, what a fine house. Honestly, do you know this house get taste? See furnishing. No wonder my angel they enjoy for him, but they look fresh.
If you move an inch, your skull will be in pieces. Who do you say you are looking for?
What do you mean the meaning of this nonsense? Don't just play with me. For your information, this thing where you go, now for that gate where the man, Now you need that. So carry and go gate now. Mount tight security for there. Make sure say nobody enter here to disturb me. Not even warning. Will you shut up? Not even the owner of the house. You have that talk?
You're a fool.
It's they employ you for here. When you get mouth to talk to me, we find my angel come here. You Chris?
I'll blow head of them.
Now, don't let me stand up. Better. What do you for do since? Call my angel for me. Nonsense.
What are you doing with your gun? Where is this man, Jay? And what business do you have with him?
I beg. No mistake. I don't mean it.
I ask again. Where is this man?
Jane, answer your father now.
Okay, he has been disturbing me and you're not always around now. And I told him to come today. I know he will meet you. I don't know him. You can ask him. Madam, I don't know if anybody.
Okay. Please, like the man drop, now a friend come here. All this you wanted to do, like play I was.
Do I look like a joker?
No, you know the joker. Yes, you know the joker. This place where this thing they point, they dangerous.
Jay! I'll take care of you later. Call the boys for me.
Okay, Daddy.
Today you know who have entered his house.
I already know. Now, I don't know.
Now lions there.
Okay, sorry. I don't know how you forget. Pity me. See, like a man walk, I tell you now, if I do not be anything, I don't get nothing.
Ladies, one job. Where you there now?
I hear it.
Don't tell what I did here now.
You got everything in my head now. You see this one is ceiling fan.
Ceiling fan, no?
Where big men them, they put for the house.
For the house.
They just they rotate. But I saw my brain they rotate now. I'd imagine they think of how Utobo they enjoy himself now. Honestly.
Chai! You see, sometimes I go just the reason how you go take the day confused sometimes. Chai, me tell you, say, make we go see him. Eh? But you refused. Now you can't tell me, say, your brain they run like ceiling fan. Eh?
Come, all this shout the way they talk. Me and Melody they talk to you, they shout, they go. Okay, you don't late now to go there.
You never dey late, I don't dey late now.
One more go.
Now. How they go? How they go now?
Come. If that don't know who be your father or when your mama carry you for belly, I'm a dozen and my woman I'm born you. No, you never play. Which kind of runs you never enter.
Me. Come, where they go? Come back here. Where they go there now? We don't go there again.
You fool!
Hey.
Good. Young man.
Okay.
What is my name?
I will take no. I don't know your name.
Boys, tell him my name.
Sir, you are Chifago Omenkokuru 1.
And what is the meaning of my name?
I swear to God, I don't know. I don't go fit no. I know. I know now.
So what is it?
Lion.
Good. And what does lion do to other animals in the bush?
They eat them.
Very good. Then consider yourself eating!
No. I beg. I beg you. Not my fault.
Take him
Hey.
to the dark room. Torture him.
Hey.
And remember, no food, no water.
I beg.
Yes, sir.
I beg, sir. Excuse me. Please, make I say my last prayer now. I beg. Because I know if you stay 1 day without food. Ask anybody who know me, I like food well and the chop. So 1 day without food, na die. I beg. Hi, oh yeah, I beg. This place where this thing point, you no favor me at all. Make shift and go that side. I beg.
I'll think I'm joking.
Oh yeah, wait. I beg. Make I give you full number of my friends. Make you call them. Make they go carry my dead body. I cannot feel so this thing. And I beg, don't forget. When I reminder, don't forget give them money for coffee. Oh, not anyhow coffee, no designer coffee. Make sure it's full.
enough room and space there inside.
Okay. You want to okay. Idiot! Thank you. Okay now. Imagine! Come to look for my daughter!
Jen, why are you worried? Let me ask you. Who is that man? And do you really know him?
I don't know him. Seriously, I don't know that man.
You don't know him?
Yes, ma'am.
Jen, tell me the truth. I'm your mother.
I still don't know him, okay? Just that he has been pestering me. But thank God now he has finally landed himself into trouble.
Is that why you're worried?
Yes, ma'am. Just that I feel for him.
What?
Yeah.
You feel for him?
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. It's alright.
Take this thing again. I can't take it again. Why would our own brother Mude deprive us of our own freedom? Eh? Is this how it's done elsewhere? Or does he want to marry us? I don't understand. I don't just understand.
Sister, I don't know. It's like he's guiding us, like he has said.
Guiding what? Who is guiding who? A full grown-up girls like us is guiding us.
I beg you. Hi, babe.
Who are you?
Are we quarreling?
No, we're not quarreling.
Please, it's your brother Prince at home.
Prince. Also not Prince.
Prince. Who is Prince?
Your brother Prince, he's tall.
Hi! Wait. Did you say Prince?
Wait. Now who they call Prince? Now who make him Prince? In another Prince.
See my dear. In our own family, we don't have any other person called Prince.
No.
The only brother that we have is Mude. Mude, please.
You mean you don't have anybody by that name, Prince?
We don't have.
Please, go, abeg.
Please, go now.
Hey, Mude.
When did we just start answering Prince?
Ask me, Wait, Mude went and told her that she is a prince.
Hey! God, abeg, let's go.
Justin!
Hey! Well done,
Hey! How are you?
I'm fine.
How is your family?
We are fine, Jerry.
Okay.
How's everything?
Fine. Is your car having any problem?
Engineer, you know now, no healthy man goes to the hospital.
Okay, what is the problem?
This my car just developed little overfloating.
Overfloating?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, okay, it's a small matter. It will cost you only 15,000 naira.
No, now. I say it's only overfloating, you know.
I know. You know what is the problem?
No. That's why I came now.
Fuel pump is involved. But from the tank, the oil passes through the fuel pump, then to the engine. Fuel pump is costly now. It's costly. I didn't even charge you. Remove cost of fuel pump, then labor. You know what it means. I didn't charge you. I didn't charge you.
Anyway, I am not an engineer, that is why I came.
I'm an expert in that one.
Okay. So, if I give you the money, when do I come for it?
Anytime from 4 tomorrow up, you can come.
Yeah,
you better go and enjoy yourself.
Okay, in that case, let me oblige you.
Just bring your advance. Tomorrow you come, pay the balance, carry on.
I'll give you advance payment.
Advance of
5,000 naira.
Okay. Okay. Just make sure you bring the balance.
No, no problems.
Yeah.
Bye. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, till tomorrow.
Yeah.
That girl is very, very insulting.
Hey, you need to see her insult me.
Sandra! 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 Why did you girls have to embarrass my guests?
Hey, that girl, man.
I cried for Chine.
Are you serious?
Hey!
Kenneth! I'm talking to the both of you now. Sandra! Kenneth!
What are you even saying? Look, be careful. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, oh. Don't touch me.
You want to talk, eh?
Why won't I talk? Why won't I talk? Did your guest say we embarrassed her? Huh? Did we embarrass her? If she ever told you that we embarrassed her, then she must be lying. Tell him. We only told her that you're Nwude, not Prince.
Look, let me tell you something, eh? See, I am your elder brother and you must accord me the respect that suits me.
Dikeh.
Now, I ask once more, for the last time, why did you embarrass my guest?
We did not embarrass your guest, Nwude.
Tell him.
I wonder when our surname have changed from Okeke to Prince.
You're talking to me, huh?
See, I tell you, if we reach there now, Utobo no give us our own share. 2 of us go tear am into 19. No.
Wait, you go beg am.
Beg am for
you know, say you know as Utobo they do. Eh? Make we dey go. If you go there, now you go first enter there. Oh yeah, make we dey go.
Wait till they tell you, if I reach there, I no give us our own share. I go tear am into 19.
He go give us now.
Yeah. Anna.
Who are you? What are you find?
Good question.
Thank you.
Would they find that fine girl when Papa get this place?
Small madam.
Oh, she did very, very fine.
Wallahi, small madam, I did. I did for fine, go.
Yes.
I did.
Once here.
Open the door.
One man I come from this place for afternoon. I say I looking for small madam. I can't enter for big trouble. Very, very big wahala wallahi.
Trouble?
Yeah.
Utobo is in trouble.
Uga I did.
Eh?
Uga I did.
You got the house?
Uga I put on for gun. For that boy. I want to scatter my that shake it down.
Utobo don't die. No, Balos, Utobo don't die.
Go open the door, man. Go. Utobo die where? Who tell you say Utobo don't die?
No, where you dey go? Where you dey go? Make we go call police, call army, call SSS. Make them come rescue for the matter now.
You know say you don't know anything. You're just a coward. Call police for waiting. If not be say light no dey inside there or they don't lock this gate, I go enter there go rescue Utobo. Nah. You don't mad? Why they call police? Open this man, enter go see there.
Come wait first. You for tell me say you won't die. Eh? Make only me there tell the story. Yeah? So
why you dey cut liver like
no, I no be say I dey cut liver. Make I dey go. You dey. Eh? Follow Utobo go. I go tell the story.
Come. If no be say light no dey here or darkness don't come inside that place, me I go enter there go rescue Utobo now. You know that one too well.
I know now.
I know this man go see there.
Come, you dey go, you know they go. I don't leave you come out.
Why the?
I don't leave you come out.
Open man go. Somebody. Wait for me small. Wait for me.
Come, let's go, man. Check the number over. Arna in Yamarai. Come go enter your own trouble. I'll get finish him. Shit.
everything will be alright. Eh? But does it really mean that my own daughter called me a wicked man? Am I wicked? Honey, no, you are not. Eh? Let's sleep. Is it because I'm doing my best to give my daughter the best of education, everything she needed? Does that make me a wicked and harsh man? Honey, forget those things. I'm not forgetting it. Let's sleep now, please. Is it because I thought day in, day out to give the best for my daughter? I'm going there straight to her room to ask her what that means. Honey, let's sleep, please. Eh? I'm not sleep. I said I'm going there now. Sleep. Maybe tomorrow you can. Honey, I'm doing that just now. Honey, come back now. Let's sleep. Tomorrow you. No. Jim, how did you say you met that boy?
Daddy, it was 2 days ago. He kept on pestering my life, so I have to force him to come because I know he will meet you.
And where did you go?
Mommy, I went to buy the church card.
Did you hear? How then you told him that I'm a wicked man, mean, ruthless, and so on?
Daddy, you don't trust me again. How can I say such a thing about my great and wonderful father? That guy must be very, very stupid because I didn't say such a thing, no. I didn't.
Fine. From today on, wherever you go, the guards must follow you.
What? Yes.
And that's final. So there won't be any pestering again. Let's go to
Utobo. Let me be this. Maybe not. Hey, God. Soon as I take, finish myself. God, please, I beg you, God. In the name of God, holy for heaven, I beg you, God, please. Save me from this situation. And I promise you, Father, if you save me, will become a man. No. I'm not telling anyone. Just forgive me. Forget that I would let me be. Telling you that, please. Hey! You have me with this.
You say it's too late. Play. I'm not play.
I remember. How we go take this to our friend?
You mean Utobo?
No, what they answer.
See, if you get waiting at the reason, no. At the reason I say, look, we buy coffee.
Coffee and what? For what now?
You don't know, say, they go down kill Utobo for that compound.
We enter there, we go tell the man, say, we need the cops for our brother.
What do your mind they tell you? Your mind they tell you say Utobo don't die by now.
You see what they ask. You know what that get man talk yesterday? Gone. You know hear am? They go down kill Utobo. In fact, they go down even bury him for themselves.
So the man don't kill him now?
You know, sir, you get as I talk my own.
Okay, how we go do him now?
We go carry coffee enter there. If you carry coffee enter there with ambulance. Pure!
Carry coffee
enter in compound. Tell am say make him give us the corpse of Utobo. No, make I finish.
No be to play again.
You no wan play again? No, you don surrender?
Give me.
want you to do me a favor. I want to go inside, please.
Jane, you know it's impossible. Chief gave us instruction that nobody will see him.
I know, but I won't waste time. Just 2 minutes. 2 minutes, please. Yeah, please, I'm begging you.
Not okay. Not because of what you say. It's just because of God. Make sure you're fast about it, okay?
I'll be fast about it, okay? Thank you very much. How are you doing?
Well, I'm fine now that I've seen you. But I wanted to do me a favor. Please go tell your father that I love him.
That is not why I am here. Why did you insult my father, calling him wicked and mean?
No, is that what I told you? But by the way, is he not wicked? No, is he not wicked?
He is punishing you because you insulted him, not because you came to see me. Yes.
Now listen, let me tell you, when we finally get married, that is when I finally get married to you. I swear to God, I will punish that your father. In fact, I can even kill him.
I can see that you're very stupid. You don't want to live here.
Just wait. Relax until we get married. Then we'll see my call.
Boy.
Sir.
Open the door and bring that boy to me.
Yes, sir. But sir, he went to the toilet. I shall bring him immediately he comes out.
It's okay. Tell Jane I want to see her.
Yes, sir.
You can leave him there. I'll call for him later.
Yes, sir.
Thank God it didn't enter here.
Honestly, I feel like I am in paradise. These few minutes that I've held you in my arms. Oh God, I just wish it continues forever.
I can see you're mad. Very, very mad.
Your father called you.
Hope he didn't know I was there.
No.
Hi, God. I thank you. I thank you very much.
So what about the thing you say you're going to give me?
We'll talk that later. We'll talk later.
And let's see him for food. Give me food at the ultimate adventure.
Wait. I'm going inside there. I bring you plenty food for you to shop.
For me? Yes. Kai. So, if I give me plenty of food, I know what I happen. I tell me, say, I need a concrete master.
You take me there?
Wallahi, I take me to that place, I dance and call. Kai, all my ladies. Kai, quackerei, kai, hila, kai, to. So, if I give me food,
You don't see her for your needy visitor.
That's visitor. Kai, leave him, that's visitor. Just a visitor, I stab him well. I don't want me. Leave impossible, madam. Leave impossible, madam. I say no. Leave impossible, madam. I don't enter for big trouble. Big wahala.
Adamu. Huh? That guy, he there for prison, no?
Prison?
He there for prison. Oga kidnapping that boy, putting him for prison. Day. He that man dying there, go.
Make her tell me. Go. Make it I know wicked. I know wicked, wallahi. Who I know wicked? To that boy, I just stubborn. To I example put him for prison. Kekuma I dem for yeah, they gossip. Go for that place I cook him for.
Shut up.
Chegia.
Shut up, Joe.
Come out for that place.
Oh, go, man. I'm not giving you any food. You're not shopping any food with
me. I'm
not giving you.
Me, I go. To Nikuma, I not take him for packet. I not take him for. What this? People, I go, man. Me, I go.
No, look at if look, I'm gonna carry you, keeping you for there. Go join the man for there.
I tell me, I not take him for packet. What? Me, go. Chegia, Inamri.
Take it.
Wait, when I time will come in. I put on for head like I wouldn't Mansaniba. Inamri. Come on, put them in a hand. Go. I tell me, what different. What you want to different go? Namburo Uba, Chegia Inamri. Come on, spread the Macasi and put it pass. La Hila. Chicken fry, one year in
Engineer Bani? I hope everything is in order now.
Everything is in order.
I trust you.
Okay.
Engineer.
I got it.
Nobody has ever come to you and regretted it.
No way. Whether he likes it or not.
You still insist you are collecting the whole victim from me?
Agreement like they say is agreement. Okay. Aba alaronute. Okay. Okay, but you see where?
Yeah. Okay.
So drive and see.
Okay, I trust you now. Yeah.
Fire.
Engineer.
Fire. Girl. The man Justin.
Okay, now.
The man Justin.
I trust you.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. No specimen. If you get benefanda, whether he likes it or not. Okay, say one. Bello is happening with. And one. Bye bye. If
what you done we for my get?
Now that say make we come. You get person when they sick, when they very sick for that place. So open gate.
Why? Who are they sick?
In daughter. Small madam.
Small madam.
Small madam.
Allah.